Hello, this is Seth, Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in white knuckle, it looks great. You do have the chrome accenting up front on the grille as well as your halogen quad headlights right there. Coming around the side we do have our 17-inch rims with a Yokohama brand tires. Look great, lots of tread left on them, and those rims look fantastic. You do have your mirrors right there as well. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got that SXT badging as well as the Dodge and the Grand Caravan. You also got your backup camera right there. And to open it up, we just got to pull this guy. Lifts up just like that. Tons of room back here. You also have an Xbox back here. That is very cool. Now, you do also have stow and go seats, so all you got to do is pull these. So you got your number 1 right there. Pull that. Number 2 is down here. 3 and 4, just like this. Folds into the ground, then you got even more room. You can do the same with the other side as well. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You got your panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Bit of chrome accenting, handle here, and some storage right here and here. Looks great in here. The cloth seats are very comfortable as well. They feel great. You do also have the control of your lights here, so you're off, you're on, your daytime running lights, all those guys there, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And right up here we do have the controls over our windshield wipers as well as our turning signals and high beams. Okay, let's start up here. So key in the ignition and we're good to go. Now right in the center we do have our speedometer and our odometer as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. It does say how many kilometers we have, 21,000, not too bad at all. You can change that a bit to your trip A, trip B, your distance till empty. You got your kilometers there. You also have your liters per 100 kilometers, the temperature outside, and back to your kilometers there. You can control that all from here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the back. And right there you do also have the controls over the volume up and down and the source in the center. Over here we do have a 6.5-inch touchscreen display, so we do have our voice recognition up here. Bluetooth. You have your radio right here. You have your media tab. You also have your media tab does have a hard disk drive, so you can actually put music right into here, which is very cool. Volume up and down, and then up here you have your load for your CD, which is just hiding right back there. Looks great. You also have your menu right over here, just like that. You have your audio options. Over here you do have your files, and then you do have your USB plug-in right there. You do also have a backup camera when you are in reverse, keeping you nice and safe there. Then down here we do have the control over the climate control. So we have where it's going to blow out of. You have your heat and cold. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You also have the air, how hard it's going to blow out. Then you have the rear controls here and your defrost over here. Econ mode, you have your hazard lights. You also have your power, which does need to be on turned on the Xbox. Then you also have your traction control. A little bit of storage here, some cup holders here, and some more just right there. You also have a dual layer glove box, so you got your top layer right there, and your bottom layer right over here as well. Up top you do have some sunglass holder and some lights. Let's take a look in the back here, open this guy up. Lots of room back here. It does seat 7 people all together. You got these 2 seats. You also have 2 screens here. So you got the top screen right here. Looks great. Then you do have another one right back here as well. Just gotta press the button, fold it down. 2 screens, lots of movies or whatever you might want to. They are stow and go seats up here as well, so you just gotta pull this guy up just right here. Fold that up just like that, and then this one you just pull this. It folds into the ground just like that and folds over. Then you have a flat surface. If you do it with all of them, you got tons and tons of room back here. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.